cruisers. This is the Princess app, part one, before you board the ship. As you can see, I have my checklist, boarding passes, 2 days before embarkation, you can see that, and your luggage tags. Now, we're going to go through this so that way you can have an understanding, because I suggest that you download the app to any cruise that you're going to get on, so that way it makes things a little bit easier for you. You can always delete it once you get home. Now let's look at the travel information. Complete required to check in steps. Now, these steps are really good for you so that way you'll be able to get everything done. Your checklist, you order your medallion, you have it sent to your home. Everything will be on it. I already did a video for that. And right here it says that I haven't ordered my medallion, but I did. I don't understand that I got it in the mail. But anyway, it lets you know everything that you've done when you're all set. Now you got your onboard packages here. And with your onboard packages, it lets you know you can add on your plus and stuff. You really can't do anything until you actually get on the ship. And you got your boarding pass, where you can see right here, I'm on the Emerald Princess, the date I'm leaving. We got my QR code. All I have to do is get that scanned with my passport and my medallion, and I am on the ship with no problem. And it show you your room and the deck you're on and everything. So the check-in window, I don't probably won't know that until I actually get there. Now we have luggage tags. You can print off your luggage tags, the ones to put on. So they have all your documents here. You can print them off here, but I'm gonna do all this once I get to my hotel. And that way I can print everything off and put it on my luggage. And then once I get to the port, guess what? They'll have my luggage ready for me to in front of my door. And that way I gotta walk around with it. Now you have all your additional forms here and documents that you can print off. They're letting you know. You can pull them all out. So if you want to sit there and use the hotel's paper and ink, I suggest you do so, because that's what I'm going to do. Then they have your port information as well. Now, after you do all of that, just smooth sailing from that. You know, they have everything that you need in here. Now, with that being said, you can have your services, which won't be working until you get on the ship, and then you can explore the ship. This is a couple of days before we leave. And as you can see, each day I have bookmarked everything that I want to do. It gives me the day and what we're doing and what's going on, and I bookmarked it. So that way it doesn't mean I'm going to do everything, but it's just there. So it gives you something to do it. If you're walking around trying to figure out what to do, you can do it. It reminds you. Now, a lot of this stuff, they can show you how to get there, but I can't show you because you have to be hooked up to the Wi Fi on the ship. But this is what you can do beforehand instead of trying to figure out what to do. And a lot of time, when they have these things, it's just a number of people who's coming so they can know what to expect. And you don't have to go to everything. It's just something that you can say, oh, I guess I can go here. So that's all the days I'm already booked. Ship schedule's the same way. Or you just go over there on that side and you can just look and see what's going on. And then you can also bookmark it. It gives you exactly what's going on, the time of the day, which is breaking down. That way you won't feel like you've been left out. So here you go, beauty consultant. If you like it, it tells you how long it's going to be, what time it's going to be, and you can also bookmark it. And then voila, you done saved it. So that what makes it easier for you to do when you explore the ship. Now, a lot of this stuff you can chat with people, and then here it goes, that lets you know everything. Not too much. You just basically saying information that you get before you board your ship. So you got your dining. As you can see, we got like a couple of dining rooms and three main dining rooms. I'm booked at the Botticelli because I like flexible dining. And you can see I am booked every day. It doesn't mean I'm gonna go every day, but every day has a different menu. And then guess what? I can see what's on the menu and decide whether or not if I want to show up or if I can just go and eat at the buffet. You never know. You never know. So it makes it easier for you. I already booked because some of the other restaurants are all but booked up. And you got Crown, you got Sabatini's, the Da Vinci is the walk-in. That's it, basically, all the restaurants. Make sure you reserve it. You can reserve all of that before you board the ship. Now, you all set with everything with that. That's it. Thanks for watching.